What is up, you guys? So today we have the Nike Stranger Things collab. We're going to be reviewing the Nike TAILWINDs and the Nike BLAZERs from this collaboration that came out today. So first of all, I want to shout out to Bait LA. I bought my shoes from there and they actually included a Hawkins physical education gym bag. And it says Bait Incorporated, Netflix. And yeah, that's it. There's nothing on the back. It's a green gym bag. And then they also came out with some stickers right here. A Tiger Pride sticker and a Hawkins sticker. An orange pencil with Tiger Pride, unsharpened. It says Tiger Pride right across right here. And Bait Incorporated on near the pencil edge, and a Netflix on the front. And finally we have a notebook. Hawkins High School notebook. Just a regular notebook, nothing special. And yeah, this was only available at Bait. It was a really cool collaboration. So basically what happened was Bait changed out their whole store. So that it would only fit this collaboration out here. And Kith did the same thing as well. They changed their entrance a little bit so that it would only be the Stranger Things collaboration when you walk in, and they also had like a few lockers in the area. Unfortunately, I don't have any pictures, but if you guys are in the area, do check out Bait, do check out Kith if you want to see what they had in the store, the new exhibit and artwork that they had. Undefeated also had these shoes, but they didn't do anything special. So we have the Nike BLAZER out here, Stranger Things collaboration. Let's check out the details. Leather panels right on the outside, leather swoosh in red on top of a gray swoosh. Cream outsole right here. Soft foam on the tongue, Nike Stranger Things on the tab. Nice little detail. Foam tongue like all the other BLAZERs. Let's see the back right here. Nike on both shoes. Another nice detail. Hawkins High School patched on onto the inside of the shoe. Right here. On both shoes. And it also comes with some pins. Stranger Things, Nike pin, another pin down here. Each shoe of this collaboration should come with a set of pins. Here's the back. The inside is just a orange outline of a swoosh. And it's really soft material. Really soft leather, like butter. Let's check out the box real quick. It's a green box here. And a nice little detail is that the wrapping paper is actually like a newspaper. Let's check it out. Some newspaper wrapped in here. Right. Yep, that's it. The Nike BLAZER Stranger Things collaboration. And finally we have the Nike TAILWINDs from the Stranger Things collaboration. Let's check out the main part, the side. Suede, soft material right here on the outside. Same swoosh in red over a gray swoosh, stitched on around the entire shoe. Stranger Things collaboration on the tongue. It's not a lot of detail right here. Property of Hawkins High. And let's check out the tongue while we're here too. So it says here, the tongue actually says Pride on this shoe, along with Stranger Things. And on the left pair, it says Tiger. So together, they make Tiger Pride. Alright, now the back. Stitched on Hawkins High School patching on both shoes. Orange Nike on the back tab. Nice. I like how it rises up a little bit out here on the back heel. Let's check out the bottom. Generic out. Yep. And of course, it also comes with a set of pins. Same pins that is included in the BLAZERs. Got the box real quick right here. Same box as the BLAZERs pretty much. in a green Nike box. And a newspaper as well. Same exact newspaper wrapping. I would assume the newspaper wrapping is the same on all 3 shoes as well. That came with this collaboration. So yeah, there we have it. The Stranger Things collaboration from Nike. We got the TAILWInd, BLAZER, and the Cortez. Unfortunately, we don't got the Cortez of us. And we also got this gym bag from Bait exclusive. So it was free. If you buy 3 shoes, you get 1 bag for free in store. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you guys in our next video.